We have a Kimberley Cruiser S-Class here, right in the showroom, ready for you to inspect today. Look at it. It is a beautiful looking machine. Could you imagine this on the back of your vehicle as you go to your next camp spot? Oh, I can't wait to take one out and try ourselves. This is the 30th anniversary from Kimberley Kampers, the S3. And what we've got out here is outdoor kitchen, and we've optioned up just a gas barbecue here, but the best part is inside. Are you ready? Let's go. Now bear with me as I walk up the stairs. Oh my goodness, would you look at this? This is just like a penthouse apartment right here in your camper. Here's the queen size bed, and what we've got is beautiful lighting. We've gone the natural colours in this one. The new bed in this one as well. Got side cupboards, storage underneath. The bed also lifts up. And then over to the right, we've got the kitchen and the lounge. You've got a fridge, freezer, microwave, induction cooking, cold running water, and a nice lounge here to sit and ponder the future, I suppose, and where you're going to go camping. Got a TV here as well, fusion player, lots of storage up the top, lots of places to put all your gear, fuses easily accessible, major control panel here as well, lots of room to run and store your appliances. There's your induction cooker, microwave, fridge, freezer, and then down the back of the Kimberley Cruiser we've got an ensuite. Hey, how's it going? So down here we've got a huge shower area. Good thing with Kimberley is that they give you a little seat as well. Seat or a step, somewhere to put your shampoo. There's your shower rose mixer. There's a cool door as well, which just covers that area, so it's not intruding when you want to use the basin or the toilet as well. Two people can use it. In here you've got the basin, the Nature's Head toilet, which is a compostable toilet, an amazing unit. And just in here we've got the washing machine, which I need two hands. My hands are running the camera at the moment, but you've got a washing machine in there as well. Place to hang your towels, more storage, extractor fan, everything here ready to go. What a beautiful looking machine this is. Camper home. And then of course you got room here for your friends that might be camping. There's plenty of room around here as well for sitting and entertaining if the weather's bad. And of course the poof is a seat as well. Our storage area, drawers under the bed, lots of drawers in the kitchen down the bottom, and your side cupboards. How's that? And the lighting, look at the lighting. Just really gives a nice feel to the camper as well. Everyone in the shop here has really enjoys this camper. It's got a really good feel about it, and will be really comfortable on your next trip out in the outback, because it's by Kimberley Kampers, of course. This is the S-Class Cruiser, and you can see it here at the Dirt Off-Road Campers, 26 Light Crescent, Mount Barker. Give us a call or hit us up on our website, make an appointment, but yeah, inspect today.